Hi, my name is Justin Sander, president and founder of Davine Fuel, an up-and-coming biodiesel plant which is based out of Nampa, Idaho. Davine Fuel's company vision is to build a rapidly growing, eco-conscious, highly profitable business that converts the used cooking oil byproduct in fried food preparation by the restaurant industry into an alternative source of diesel fuel, thus reducing the country's reliance on foreign oil. The Davine Fuel market opportunity. 65 billion gallons of diesel fuel was consumed in the U.S. last year. The renewable fuel standard requires the U.S. to increase the production of alternative fuels by 4 billion gallons, raising the minimum to 7.5 billion gallons per year. Davine Fuel can produce biodiesel that requires no conversion of the engine for approximately $1 a gallon in raw materials and fuel tax. And on top of that, there's a government incentive that was just extended that provides $1 per gallon of B100 sold, essentially offsetting all raw material product costs, which is huge. So this lets Davine Fuel be very competitively priced and drive a highly profitable business. Customer segments. Davine Fuel has up to 60 million gallons a year that has already been spoken for. We have 4 Davine Fuel gas stations and truck stops that are either built or in the process of being built. Simplot Corporation trucking fleet burns over 1 million gallons of biodiesel a year, and all state government agencies are required to reduce petroleum consumption, creating a significant new market. Dairies will also buy the glycerin byproduct from the biodiesel. Pricing strategy. Customer price for B100 biodiesel will always be 50 cents to $1 less than the retail cost of petroleum diesel. Price per gallon will be adjusted for blends. So if you wanted to buy a gallon of B50, which is 50% biodiesel and 50% petroleum diesel, you would pay for half a gallon of B100 and half a gallon of petroleum diesel at retail cost. Oil sourcing strategy and suppliers. The first step is to start collecting the 18 million gallons a year that is already contracted to Davine Fuel. Next, we'll meet with the Simplot Corporation, who sends 3 million pounds of grease a year out of state to be made into biodiesel, just so that they can buy it back and use it for their fleet. Then through our sister corporation, who by themselves save companies like Albertsons $2 million a year just in the Northwest, we will establish new contracts to grow the oil supply. We will focus first on the Northwest to minimize oil and transport costs until the second facility is in operation. This is the Davine Fuel team. Almost every position has already been filled to ensure the fastest startup possible. Davine Fuel financial projections. We have a building we can operate out of until the new plant is complete, so the most important factor in the equation is how long it takes to start collecting the contracted oil. The Davine Fuel capital requirements include the new plant construction costs, the storage tanks and suction hoses, the commercial processor, the raw materials, the grease transport and fuel tankers, and the employees. The total capital requirements are about $500,000, which enables the company to be completely self-sustained. Due to the fact that we already have the contracted oil and the customers, the full 500 is needed immediately to be able to start production. Discussion and next steps. Provide the startup cost of $500,000. Hire the initial team. Order the commercial processor. Establish contractual rights for oil removal with existing Davine Industries clients. Hire the remaining team and build the new biodiesel plant. Banks are going under and stocks are crashing, but alternative energies are one of the government's top priorities. They are looking to spend billions on the industry and wanting to increase biodiesel production by the billions of gallons per year. So Davine Fuel may be one of the most secure places to put your money at this point in time.